Hello guys, good morning. This is Top here. Dodge claiming is live right now, so I want to take us through a video on how to claim your dog. After logging in, so click on deposit to exchange. All right, then click on exchange. It is better for you to use a wallet in Telegram, but I want to make this video for exchange first, so I'll make another video for wallet in Telegram. So click on the continue, then click on the Bybit. You understand? So if you want to use a Bybit, you click on yes, I have it. If you have a Bybit account, then you click on Bybit UID. So then you paste your UID. All right, so there's my UID. I've actually come up here to complete to copy it. So then I click on it, and after that I click on send. So all right guys, then I paste my UID. After UID, I paste my Dodge wallet address there. So there's your Dodge wallet address on your Bybit. So then I copy the memo as well. I put it up there. So this process is stressful. I won't like you to go to it because I'm a professional and that's why I'm doing that. So I advise you to go for Telegram wallet and just to go. You don't need to put in all these details. So this is it. It said, are this alright? Are this okay? Yeah. Come on. Yeah, I confirmed. Yeah, okay. And that's it. So deposit is in progress. Now we'll be ready for the listing on August 20. So that's also. So I've actually withdrawn it. So guys, I will advise you to use your Telegram wallet to avoid all sort of mistakes. You understand? You know I'm a professional, so that is why I use it right up here. But you use your Telegram wallet. So I'm going to make a video on how to use a Telegram wallet. Thank you.
Okay, this is for those that want to withdraw with Telegram wallet. So they just follow this step. Do you have a Telegram account? Okay. Open wallet in Telegram app. Mhm. Continue. Return to docs. Withdraw to wallet in Telegram. You receive your dog before the listing. Yes. Keep going. Confirm withdrawal. I confirm. This even more simple. This even more simpler. So